afternoon. So I'm gonna just jump straight into it because I don't feel like there's a need to just talk nonsense. But I was talking to you guys about how I wanted to like transform myself, become a better person, like change my lifestyle, like figure out who I am and what I want to do, right? So obviously with that, I have to change everything about myself. Like I am changing like every single detail about myself and everything that I know about myself and everything that has to do with me and like anything that's related to me, I'm changing it. So what's the first, like when you're trying to change yourself, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? For me, it's my style and my fashion. So with that, we're doing a closet clean out. I don't really shop a lot. Like I don't really do a lot of like, which I know is like, if you think about it, I spend a lot of money, but I don't really shop on stuff. Does that make sense? Like the last time I bought clothes was, but yeah, so I'm gonna clean out my closet. Obviously with this today, we are going to do some shopping too. I'm also gonna clean out my K-pop shelf. No, I'm not getting rid of anything, so don't even start because I don't want to hear it. No, I'm gonna change myself, but I'm not going to the extreme lengths. Okay, let's get that straight. Okay. Let's debunk that before we start. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I have this set up because I need everything set up in a system. I can't do anything without a system, or else I'm just lost and I'll end up giving up. Here's my system. Clothes that I have that I won't wear every day, but I know that I might need. So like you know, like in a to-do list when it's like bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and then other, this is the other section. My jackets and hoodies and stuff like that. My t-shirts and my just tops, just shirts in general. My pants. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start off first. I'm gonna start by taking everything out. I'm gonna take out all my clothes and then clean the stuff that's on the like benches and stuff. So like in here. My closet. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that's behind my clothes. The amount of shoe boxes I have is actually kind of embarrassing. I'm not even gonna lie. Also, looking at all my clothes on the floor, I realized that I have a lot of stuff that I don't need anymore. Why do I have half this clothes in here? I don't even wear half of them. But this is what we're working with. How am I gonna organize this? I don't know, because my room looks like a jungle right now. But we'll figure it out, I guess. Okay, yeah, break! Seriously, there's no need for me to be keeping this many shoe boxes. Tell me why I only have the right boot and my right Air Force. Babe, where's the left? Where is the left? Ooh, this is my song. Hold on. So I've cleaned everything out, minus those. I'm gonna leave those there because I have nowhere else to put them. And so, I mean, they don't take up a lot of space, so it's fine. But I have to clean it off first. Like, oh, girl, she's dirty. My cat pee down there. She needs to clean. So we're gonna clean her up. Now, tell me why I was gonna go leave to get the cleaning supplies. Who was gonna remind me? Who's gonna remind me that I barricaded myself in here? Girl, let me find an escape route and I'll be right back. Hello, yeah, my name is Sam and I like some ham. Girls, call me Bam. They go damn. This is actually so gross. Like, actually so gross. Let me show you the mess I'm working with right now. Oh wait, it does definitely get worse. Yeah, it does. Brilliant, beautiful, delightful, stunning, amazing, flamboyant. Like, everything about this is just so spectacular. Okay, let's start with putting everything in bags first. I think I'm gonna start with the shoes first. One, just because they're taking up space by my door, and two, because I feel like that'll be the easiest because I only wear 3 pairs of shoes every single day. So come along on this emotional journey while I throw away the shoes that I've been regretting to throw away for like 4 years now. Okay. So obviously we're gonna start off with the no pairs, because I don't even know, like, yeah, I don't even know where the other ones were. My really old pair of Air Forces, I think it's finally, actually no, I'm gonna keep these. And listen, I'm not like, you know, just saying this because I want to keep my Air Forces. No, okay. In my garage, I dance with these, and as you can tell by all the floor work that these shoes have been through, they're very much needed. So these ones are my newest and most recent pair. Yes, they're still very much dirty and very much under the same amount of stress as those ones are, but these ones are more recent, so I can keep these ones for longer. But I definitely will be getting rid of these ones pretty soon. And by pretty soon, I mean until I can finally say goodbye. So, do I wear my Converse often? No, I do not. But do I occasionally wear them? Yes, I do. I rarely ever wear Vans, but there are certain instances where I will wear them. The last day of putting on my cheer shoes, literally, I was so, like, I was bawling my eyes out. I miss cheer. Actually, that's kind of a lie. I don't really, but I miss a couple people from cheer and seeing them in practice in the morning, so I miss you guys. I am going to keep these because I'm going to put these in a box, like a remembrance box, where my uniform and everything is in, so. It's time for my clothes. My shirts are gonna be no issue. It's my jackets that I'm kind of scared of because I love every single jacket, but I know I don't wear every single jacket. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the tops because I'm ready for tops. I have too many shirts. Also, look at the shoes. Look, I have enough space. I even have extra space. Actually, no, that's lying. I have a pair of pandas that I'm gonna put here. But look, I have extra space. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna start with this. This is my accessories box, minus the jewelry. I put all of my accessories in here, like headbands, this is a top, sunglasses, belts. I also opted to, instead of listening to music, I'm watching Mystery Incorporated. Scooby-Doo! Watching Scooby-Doo! Freshman year. It's a cute dress, don't get me wrong. Like, I love the dress. But that year for homecoming, 3 other girls had the same exact dress. We were all just kind of looking at each other the whole night like, you really chose the same dress as me. This is my senior year homecoming dress though. This is also my graduation dress. I also wore this for graduation, so yeah. This is my dance dress. I am gonna keep this actually because, you know, even though this doesn't hold a lot of great memories, given that I quit with wearing this jacket, it also has some meaningful life lessons. So I am going to keep this. If you want a story time as to what, actually I am going to do a story time. I'm going to speak my truth. When I quit, it wasn't voluntarily. I was kind of pushed towards it. What I'm trying to say is, before anybody be like, so you got thrown off the team, blah, 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 blah. No, I quit. But she was always giving me a hard time. Like, since the beginning, like, she's been giving me a hard time, right? Towards the end, she was like, you need to get your priorities in check because this team is a full commitment, blah, 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 right? She was basically, like, giving me an ultimatum thinking I was going to choose her. babe, nobody's choosing you. Stop it. Like, if you're gonna put me through this much of a hard time, do you really think I'm gonna stay? No, I'm gonna leave. And that's what I did. Because better mom, better soul. So, yeah. And yes, I am putting my high school's name on blast because that dance team was actually ridiculous. Like, I even saying it now, like, I'm kind of scared she's gonna like ransack my room and like force me to take down this video because I'm talking like this. Girl, you did this to yourself, so don't even. All I have left to do now, at least closet wise, is throw out my shoe boxes. That's it. I really chose the one day that I did not want to do nothing to clean everything, but let me show you. So this is what my closet looks like now. She's empty. Like empty. But once I get everything, like once I start getting my summer pieces in, it'll be fine. Okay, but I'm going to lie down for a second and then I'll be back when I'm starting to clean everything out.
Show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul, honey, it's way past time. How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul, honey, I'll show you mine.
I'm gonna finish my room. Actually, it's not that much that I have to do. Okay, let me show you. I just have to clean this, like throw away my boxes. This, which is, I just have to take my cups down. But that I'm gonna do later. I'm gonna do later on in the day because I don't want to spend all day today doing that. It's the day after now. I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry. Listen, hear me out. I'm a procrastinator. What were we expecting? No, I wasn't crying. That's castor oil. A girl's gonna keep her lashes looking good. I don't know what to tell you. Look at my closet. Ain't she cute? So last night I was editing and I was looking through the footage, right? And I was like clickety clacking on my computer. I realized that most of this video was the closet portion and not so much the K-pop portion. So yeah, I'm sorry, this is gonna be a long video. Yeah, I'm gonna start with my shelf now. I've been prolonging this for 2 days now. Don't ask me why, I don't know. Well, honestly, it's not that I was prolonging it, I was more so dreading it because I have a lot of albums. And for me, when I clean my albums, I don't just clean my albums. I look through my albums. Like, if I'm gonna have an album, like, I look forward to cleaning day because then that's the day that I'm like, oh my god, blah, 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 blah. Like, and I'm geeking out looking through my albums again because, like, why wouldn't you look through your albums, you know? So, we're gonna clean and geek out together. I'm gonna show you guys the before because I don't want to make this any longer than it has to be. So, here's the before. Yeah, this is actually like kind of gross. I never let it get this bad. I don't know what happened. 3 months of not cleaning it is what happened. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean off everything. Also, if you don't know, I like K-pop. I don't know if I mentioned that on here. Stray Kids is actually the group that got me into K-pop. So I don't know if I've ever told this story, but the way I got into K-pop was I was scrolling on TikTok one day. I was scrolling and, you know, I see these 2 girls and they're screaming at the TV and they're like, oh my god, you look so good, oh my god. They were just screaming at the top of their lungs and it was funny. I was like, oh my god, LOL, ha ha ha. And then I look on the screen and it was Stray Kids' 2020 Mama performance. And if you've seen that performance, that is one of the greatest performances of all time. You can't even lie. That performance right there genuinely is at the top of the list. Like, there's no beating that performance. And lo and behold, I was right there with them. Oh my god, you look so good. Like, I was fake fainting. And then I was like, oh my god, they're so cool, you know? And then I was like, wait, this is K-pop. with me once again. Here I am exiting the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked. I hope you liked the video. Not that you not that you go and click like. Unless you want to go click like, then I would appreciate that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. This video was too long for me to make it into like a shopping with me video, so that'll be another video for when my clothes come in from when I buy it. Does that make sense? But yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed, and I really do see myself kind of like, I obviously the growth is not really showing in these 2 videos that I've posted, but like in real life I feel it. Like I feel the change. Like my closet, just seeing it and just like looking through clothing and stuff like that to fit what I want it to look like and what I want myself to become is actually kind of crazy, and it's actually kind of fulfilling. Like I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to change yourself this summer, or not change yourself but find yourself this summer, I suggest you do it because it feels really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go now before I keep rambling, but I love you, good night, and be yourself. Bye. Love you.